Hello friends, welcome again. This is SK Advisory Private Limited. This is episode 12, continuation on the basic knowledge on chart patterns. The last chart pattern is to analyze a symmetrical expanding triangle. This one implies increase in vol that can be quite challenging to trade. Price breaks out to the pattern to the upside. Stop should be below the lowest low in the pattern when it lower confirmed demand zone. Price breaks the pattern to the downside should be above the highest high in the pattern or above a confirmed supply zone. The target in all situations should be at least 3 times as big as the stop. This finishes off the exposition of most relevant chart patterns for trading. We can notice that few things that repeat in all chart patterns. First thing, we realize the proper way of trading with these patterns. So guys, we have finished all the episodes of the basic knowledge on chart patterns. If you have any doubts related to it, then do comment below. We will help with you. If this information is helping you, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified on every update from SK Advisory. Thank you.